it's Lola. It's Saturday, so I have to get ready to go out. Today, since I wore something blue, I thought I might try something fun with my makeup. So let me start. I have all the moisturizer ready. I am all finished with my skincare before starting the makeup. That's some sort of my routine. Like I always try to get ready with my skincare before I start makeup because it actually makes my makeup looks better. I've been using BB cream a lot and I changed it. I got this one from Too Faced, the Peach Perfect, because they're commercial. The woman that was in this Peach Perfect from Too Faced commercial, her skin looked super flawless. So like I was like, oh my god. And the smell, I mean, it's kind of amazing that it has smell in it. So yeah, I kind of like this one. It's awesome. Like I never had a foundation with this like with this kind of like sweet scent. It has like this smell of this sweetness from peach. So the one I'm using is snow color. I know I'm not white as snow, but I think it fits my skin tone. It's not like white, but it's kind of fairly light yellowish color. I love this smell. It makes me feel so good like while I'm tapping this foundation on my face. Like, oh, it's like I smell like a peach. Although I like this one because of its color and texture and the smell, coverage is not like super nice. For those people with lots of skin troubles, I don't think they would like to use this one because I don't think this one will cover all those redness up. But for those people not having that much of skin trouble and redness, I think this would work. It's not like super thin. I'm just saying it's not like thick as much as to cover all the acne. It smells so good. It's like it feels like I'm eating that peach flavored candy from Korea. I love that. And concealer. This concealer is from the Faceshop, the Korean rose shop brand. I'm using this for a long time. It's almost gone. I need to get a new one. Pointy nose tip. And cover residue. In shading. So I'm applying this shading a bit more stronger than normal because I am going to this dinner show gala. Is my pronunciation correct? I don't know. I'm going to this dinner gala organized by MPAC. MPAC is a non-profit organization for those for orphans to support them. They do this fundraise gala every year. They have this different main goal each year. And last time they did fundraising for those orphans who became 18, so they have to leave the facility. So this year they are trying to help those orphans with the health problem, to help them to get surgery. So I think it's a good cause. I cannot do much for them, but making donation, I think it's kind of minimum thing I can do. Okay, making my nose. Oh, I already look different. So what I was thinking is using the blue eyeshadow. So I have this one from Colourpop. What color is it? It doesn't say the color. So the color name is Basiline. So it's kind of desaturated light blue, and I'll be using that for my the base color. So I thought of doing this type of makeup as I was looking through this Runway photos, and their makeup looks so awesome, and thought like, can I just make that my like daily makeup, not just for this special event? But I don't think I can do that as a daily makeup. I don't know. I might. Making foundation with this light blue. And is it going to be a cat's line or just a regular one? Cat's eye, regular cat's eye. Cat's eye. Okay, that's for the base. And the next color for the point color, I'm going to use this one, Slave Faller. What does that mean? Slave Faller? Does anyone can explain? So I'm going to use this one for my second layer. It's kind of greenish blue. I'll say it's kind of teal color. I'm going to use that on the so the color is getting interesting already. Oh my god, I'm so excited and kind of worried because I don't normally do this type of makeup. I mean, I do some pink and reddish makeup in my eyeshadow, but it's like this blue and green is kind of out of routine. And for the highlight, I'm going to use this which color should I use? Which one? This. Let me go with this this vibrant blue because what I'm wearing is vibrant. It's not the same color, but let's go with this vibrant color. Okay. Maybe I can use this lighter blue color for the highlight because the second color and the third color that I used kind of blended in, so it doesn't look too different. So let me put some. Alright. Okay. For the eyelashes and eyeline, curl your lashes first. The Curve Fix mascara from Etude house. I love this one when I'm not using the false lashes because when you have smaller eyes like mine, it really bothers that if mascara is not waterproof and it smudges all over your eyes throughout the day. So I really need to use the waterproof mascara that doesn't smudge. And this one, as its name says, it holds your eyelashes strong as it was curled. Should I go arch, straight, arch, straight, arch, straight, straight? Okay, that's so that was best I could do. And another layer of mascara. So people ask me like, how'd you do my eyelashes? Because I'm not using that much falsies. Just like I've been mentioning from the video, I use different mascaras at the same time and apply like different layers. I learned this method from while I was looking at this like Japanese beauty magazines, and I figured that their makeups are more focused on eyelashes, and I also figured that they normally apply like 2 or 3 times of mascara to make it look more stronger, and I tried it and I liked it. Blush, I'll be using this one from Marc Jacobs. The colors 500 Lush and Libido. And let's do the lips. Why it's not opening? Oh, okay. So this one from CoverGirl, I haven't used it actually. The one from CoverGirl, the color name Yummy Pink. The light pink, I think it goes with the blue. Yeah, I like this color. And the outline Benefit Faceshop gel liner. To be honest, I don't really like this one because it dries super fast. Each time I have to use it, like I need to clean up the tip because it's clogged. And if I push up, I need to wait for it to come up so I can use it, and it takes forever because it's clogged easily. So my trick to use it is I just kind of place it in warm place for like a minute, or not sure if it's safe, but I kind of microwave it for like 5 seconds, so it helps. And the highlight for the last, I'm using this Nars highlighter. And let's arrange my hair again. Give it a volume. I can't wait to go out and see how people will react to my makeup, because they never saw me wearing this type of like vibrant makeup before. So thanks for watching. If you liked my video, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.